What happens if the commercial property that I want to buy into my SSAS is opted to tax for VAT? A lot of commercial properties that are available for sale or that you perhaps own already, quite often they are already opted to tax for VAT. So in other words, they're registered for VAT. So the question is, can a SSAS buy a property that is opted to tax for VAT? And the answer is yes. What we will need to do is actually register the SSAS for VAT, which is not a problem. That means that when we purchase the property, the SSAS will have to pay VAT on the purchase, unless we are purchasing a property as a transfer of going concern. This is quite a technical issue with VAT, and I have to say, when we are doing commercial property purchase with VAT, it wouldn't be the first time that we've had to go and seek specialist VAT advice, so we can do that for you if the VAT process is not entirely clear. But if we're buying a commercial property with a pre-existing tenant and a pre-existing lease, then the chances are this may be what's known as a transfer of going concern, TOGC, and the SSAS doesn't have to pay the VAT on that purchase. If the property is opted to tax, please discuss it with us, and obviously we'll hopefully get you the answers that you require. But it's not a problem. The SSAS is just registered for VAT. If we have to pay the VAT, then obviously it'll be the purchase price, plus the VAT at 20%. So you may have to factor that into your calculations when actually buying the property. Because the SSAS is actually registered for VAT, it can recover the VAT. So we purchase the property, you pay the SSAS pays the VAT, we put a claim into HMRC, and then eventually, usually within 2 to 3 months, the SSAS will get a VAT refund of the amount you've paid back into the SSAS. So typically, if you've had to borrow the VAT money, we always suggest potentially the SSAS borrowing the money from the sponsoring employer on a very short-term loan. We buy the property, pay the VAT, get the VAT back. The VAT comes back into the SSAS and we repay the debt to the sponsoring employer is usually the easiest way of resolving this issue if there isn't enough money in the SSAS to cover the VAT angle. There are a number of other issues with regards to VAT and property, but again, they're very complex. And I would say where your property does have VAT on it, please speak to us and we'll help you guide you down the right path to make sure that property purchase goes through as smoothly as possible.
Book a call with us via the link in the description below. If on a mobile device, simply hit the More button under the video title and pick a convenient time to speak. Feel free to share this video with others that may benefit on WhatsApp or in other online groups or channels. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for lots more SSAS related content, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. For more, visit onecrownpensions.com.